Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an ATS-friendly resume in MS Word. An ATS-friendly resume is designed to be easily read by applicant tracking systems, software that screens job applications before a human sees them. It uses simple formatting, standard fonts, and clear headings like work experience, education, and skills. Keywords from the job description are included to improve ranking, and complex elements like tables, graphics, or text boxes are avoided. In short, it's a clean, structured, and keyword-optimized resume that helps your application pass automated screenings. Let's launch the Word app. Take a blank document from here. Go to Layout and change the margin to Normal. Change the page size to A4. Go back to the home page and click on the font option. Change the font to Times New Roman. Now, write your name and align it to the middle of the page. Make your name big and bold so that the recruiter or hiring manager can easily remember your name or quickly find your resume when searching for it. Now, add your address, phone number, Gmail, and LinkedIn if you have one. You can also embed your LinkedIn lint if you want. Now, type Summary, About, Background, or Profile. Increase the size and make it bold. Come to the next line, press Shift plus -3 times, then press Enter. This will create a line under the header. Now, write a summary about yourself and your background here. The next title will be the skill set. Format the title just like before. Now, add your skills using bullet points. A bonus tip, study the job requirements thoroughly and include the skills that are listed in the job description. The next section is work experience. Type the job title, make it bold, and provide the information. Now, press Tab on the keyboard, go to the end of the line, type the duration, and fill it out. In the next line, type the company name and fill it. Just like before, press Tab, go to the end of the line, and type the location here. The next part is job description. Here, you will explain your work in your previous or current job, how you completed your tasks, and what the impact of your work was. The next section should be project or training. Here, you should explain how you've been trained. Add the necessary information about your training institute, such as job title, duration, company name, and location. Remember to format it just like you did with your work experience. Now, add your education section. Add the information about your university, location, degree name, and your study duration, and format them just like before. Now, add the coursework that is related to your job. If you don't have job-related coursework, then don't add this. Now, add the recommendation section, and our work is mostly done. Now, check the document for any errors. Let's increase the name size a bit. Here, you can see that the project/training section has been separated from its contents. Add spaces before the title to bring them together again. After you are done, click on File, then Save As, click on Browse, and select a location. Now, click on File Type. Choose PDF and save the file. Here you can see that our ATS-friendly resume is ready. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.